Using your non-marring plastic panel removal tool, remove the side piece from the passenger area, and you'll see one screw here. Phillips number 2, go ahead and remove that. Now this trim piece right here, this vent, it pops right off. And from there, you can remove this trim piece that goes across the dash. Take your time, this piece is thin, so try to pull it at its main spots where the clips are at. Next, remove the AC controls by pulling outwards. Be careful because it will pop off really fast. So do it very gently. You'll see one Molex plug behind it. Go ahead and press this tab inwards and pull out. Just like so. Now this piece to the left, go ahead and remove that. It has around 3 clips on it. And that'll give you access to all the side screws. So we're going to remove these 4 screws here. If you guys can, remember to like this video for me. It helps me out in the Google algorithm. Thank you. Go ahead and pull the stereo straight out. And you'll notice I put a blanket down on the shifter knob. That helps with scratching the shifter knob. So if you can, find some blanket somewhere and put it down before you remove the stereo. These connectors, I'm going to show you right now how they pull apart or how they come out. I'm going to have a close-up in a second here. So this pin connector, just press down the tab and pull straight backwards. Same thing with this guy. Press this tab down and pull backwards. And here's your USB connector. Push down the tab, pull backwards. Sometimes these connectors are more complex, but these ones are pretty simple. They're just pulled out, just push down and pull backwards. So this is the factory Nissan stereo harness. Just in case you wanted to see what it looked like. And this is the back of the stereo. Just for reference if you need help with that by any chance. So if you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, put it down in the comments below and I'll try to answer them.